Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a classic Christmas dessert recipe using the Italian sweet bread, the Panettone. I'll be making a delicious chocolate Panettone pudding, just the most delightful and indulgent bread and butter pudding that is out there. I will be using a shop-bought Italian chocolate panettone for this recipe. This is a 750 grams panettone, but I'll be using around 500 grams for my recipe. I will also need 4 eggs, 400 milliliters of full-fat milk, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of golden castor sugar, 300 milliliters of double cream, 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla syrup. You can use vanilla extract if you so wish. Let's crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Then pour the milk in, followed by the castor sugar, the double cream, then add the vanilla syrup into the bowl. Around 3 teaspoons of it. Give everything a good whisk to bring them all together. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. That's all done now. Now it's time to open our panettone. You can see that it's a high round cake. Actually, it is regarded as a sweet bread in Italy, where it originates from. Let me open and take it out. Let's cut the cake. I will cut through the paper and remove it later. As you can see, it has plenty of chocolate inside and is soft and moist. Let's take off the paper now. I will not be using the whole cake, only around 500 grams of it for this recipe. Let's slice the cake into chunks. Just follow the process I'm showing here. It's really a very simple recipe to make. That's all the panettone slices. Grease an oven-proof dish with butter. Spread butter on every panettone slice, only on one side. If you want, you don't need to spread butter on each slice as well. You can make this recipe without butter as well. Arrange the slices the way I have done it here. Now it's time to pour the liquid mixture onto the panettone slices and drench them completely. Then put the dish in a bigger baking tray. Pour boiling water in the baking tray, around 1 to 2 inches of water, since it is going to cook in a water bath very gently. Then put it all in on a preheated 140 degree centigrade fan oven for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Take it out of the oven once it is nicely brown and crusty on the top, but golden and slightly wobbly on the bottom. Sprinkle some icing sugar on top of the dessert dish. That looks lovely now. Let me cut out a slice for you to see what the texture and color of this dessert should be. It's nice and crusty on the top and golden and wobbly at the bottom. Serve this delicious, indulgent, classic Christmas dessert on its own or with some whipped cream. Wishing you all a very happy Christmas. Check out my other dessert recipes by clicking the link on the screen. Enjoy!